Hello from Slovenia again. Last week, in one of my week's video, I did this reverse flower dip with some dots of color and a paper napkin. I'm trying to show you the iridescent red, blue or violet, not sure because I didn't mark it, and it's resin, so just gorgeous, isn't it? And today I'm planning to do a reverse flower dip, but I want to have just my pearl white mixture, black that I will put for my background too, and iridescent orange yellow by Pebeo for some accent only. Let's see, I have this in my mind, so I painted my MDF board with the black, just with the brush, and this is my black mixed with my pouring medium, and I will just layer the health amount of it on top and then tilt it back to the cup to have a nice even layer of black. Okay, I will measure the middle with this string just to have some orientation. Okay, so I will start with the orange, mark the middle, pearl white. My pearl white mixture is Vallejo Pearl medium mixed with titanium white and pouring medium. I will add the recipe in the description box. This is it. I will spray my paper napkin with some water to soften it up. I love to do that. You don't need to. And I will place it down right in the middle. And the other half fold over. Up. Work with me. And if you maybe saw, I had an air pocket underneath there. But it's okay when I use paper napkin. If this would be a plastic or saran wrap or something, it would be more problematic. Now I will combine my four corners. Try to keep my middle of my napkin in the middle of my flower. Gather the sides. And lift. Yeah, I like it. This was something that I had in my plan. I didn't want too much of this orange color, just an accent of it, and I got it. And I love it. I like the shape, I like the lacing, and I'm pretty sure it will dry really, really nice. So let me take it down for a close-up. So here she is. I like it. And this orange yellow will shift a little bit when it will be dry, so I will show you the dried result on my Wednesday video, because I'm again a little over my videos. We had spent some family time with granddaughter, and you know, life is busy. But I will show you the dried result on my next video. So tell me what you think about it, and share, like, all those good things. Thanks. See you again on the next one. Bye.